In tomorrow paper, you want to write 7 questions. One question from this part. This part mean also combine mean and variance, standard deviation, like that. Okay. I think
Sir,
yeah.
so can we do past paper questions from the lessons we're getting?
Okay. We can do model questions, no?
Yeah,
Sir,
Yeah. Tell me
shall we do the paper itself? Much easier.
some
yeah,
paper.
that's also fine, sir. Yeah.
That's okay. But in this exam, we want to focus that type of questions, no? Later we can do papers after the exam, because we you don't have much practices, no? Therefore, we have to do model questions this time. It is better because we don't have much time now for tomorrow exam. Okay. Later we can
Okay,
do
sir.
papers. Okay. First question.
Okay.
Okay. First question comes with like this, variance like this. Using this formula, you want to do this type of question. If you have this type of table, you want to estimate mean, standard deviation, also variance, like that. Okay. How to do that? First thing is you have to draw another table. Then first one is class interval. Then you can put frequency. Then you have to find midpoints using class intervals. 0 plus 5 divided by 4, like that. You can put midpoints. Then fx. F means frequency, x means midpoints. You can multiply f and x, then you can get fx, like this, 4 into 2.5. Then fx square. Fx square means you have to multiply f into x squares. F is 4, x square means 2.5 square. Then 2.5 square equals 6.25 into 4, 25, like that. After that, you have to find these three. Sigma f means sum of the frequency column. Okay, total of the frequency equals 27. Therefore, sigma f equals 27. Also, you have to find sigma fx. Sigma fx means sum of the fx column. Like that, sigma fx square. Sum of the fx square column. Like that. These are the things we have to find first. Then you can find x bar from these details. Nashaya, can you tell me what is the equation for find x bar?
You add everything and divide by the number of values.
Add everything means you have to
The x value.
not x values. This
No,
type of
sigma
data,
fx.
yeah,
Yeah, sigma
this type of
fx over
table
sigma
data you
f.
have to put like this, sigma fx over sigma f. Okay. Faris,
Yeah.
what is the value of sigma fx?
285.
285. Sigma f?
27.
27. After dividing that, you can get x bar. Sigma x square is next one. We call that one equals variance. Okay. Also, we can write sigma square or VAR, variance. Deksha, how to write variance? What is the equation?
So is it sigma fx over sigma f?
Sigma fx square over sigma f
Sigma minus
minus
sigma f
fx.
x whole thing squared over sigma f.
Yeah. Sigma f whole thing square like that. Okay. For table data, this type of table data, you have to use this formula to find variance. Okay. Sigma fx square there. Then sigma f equals 27. Then minus 285 over 27, whole thing square like that. Final answer is 128.85. Then you have to find sigma. Muthu, how to find sigma from that?
The square root be
Square root of that. 128, no? Square root of 128.85 equals to sigma. Okay?
So that's the standard deviation, right?
Yeah, standard deviation. Variance means square of the standard deviation. Okay? Variance means square of the standard deviation. This formula for variance, that means sigma square. To find sigma, standard deviation, you want to put square root for the variance. Okay. That's the main question for the tomorrow exam. Okay. This is easiest one, no? Last time also you did that, no? That type of questions. Okay. Coding data also same thing. If you find x bar like this, then you can find y bar using that detail. If you have this type of coding, how to find y bar? How to convert this coding to y bar? Y convert to, we can convert to y bar. Then how to convert this one? Paris. It is important thing. X convert to x bar. But minus A and B also we want to write like this. Okay. We can directly convert to code into y bar, mean of y, like this. If you find x bar, then you can substitute 10, then you can find y bar using this method. Okay. Paris. Paris not there. Nishaya. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we want to find variance of y bar. We can call Vy. But we know about Vx. Variance of x equals to Vx. But we have to find Vy. Deksha, what to do for that? Deksha?
She can't remember.
Okay. That time we write like this. Vy equals Vx. X can convert directly for Vx, but minus or plus something not effective variance. But division or multiplication directly effective variance like this. But it effective square. That's the equation for variance. Okay. You want to convert to code into variance. That's the way to convert. Vy
So
equals,
what's the
yeah,
so what's the x variance?
variance of x means normal data given using x like this. Okay, x and f given. Using that, like
Using
earlier,
that you have to find the variance
yeah.
of x. Okay.
Like earlier questions, we can find variance of x first. How? That using equation now. After that, given some coding like this. Therefore, we want to find variance of y also. That's the way to find variance of y. How? Variance of y equals variance of x, but plus or minus not depend on that. But multiplication, no, division, effective like this from squares. Also, this coding we can convert to standard deviation. Standard deviation also same like variance. How? Y means sigma y. That means standard deviation of y equals to standard deviation of x over a not effect, but multiplication no division directly effect. That's the way. I can do
So you
another
don't
example.
square the the b value you don't square in
Not square
standard
for
deviation.
standard deviation, only for variance. Okay.
Okay.
We can do some example for this type of thing. Okay. In this data, we can find y bar. Okay. Because x and y, sorry. These are the detail given. Sigma y, yeah. Sigma y and sigma y square given. Okay. Sigma y equals 15. Sigma y square equals 59.74. Number of total data equals to 5. Can we find y bar, Deksha? How to find y bar? This is simple one. Sigma fy, not a sigma fy, only sigma y divided by number of data, like that. Sigma y equals 15. Number of data 5. Then y bar is 3. What is the meaning of y bar? Deksha.
So the mean value.
Yeah. Mean of y, no? Okay. Then we can find sigma y square also. Sigma y square means variance. Muthu, what is the equation for variance? Sigma y square, therefore 59.74 over n, this time only 5 data, minus sigma y over n, therefore 15 over 5 square, like that, normal way. Okay. Then you can find this one is 2.948. Now you want to find x bar. Neshaya, can you tell me how to find x bar? Already you know about y bar. Y bar equals 3. How to find x bar?
Y bar equals x over 10.
Yeah, not
X
here.
bar over,
You have to use this one now. You want to use this
yeah.
one. And Deksha have some problem now. Okay. You have to use this one. And you have to convert y bar to x bar. How to convert this one? Tell me. Y bar equals Neshaya.
X bar over
No.
10.
300
X bar
also
minus
affecting, yeah.
300 over 10.
10.
Oh, 10.
Then this time you have to find x bar now. Therefore, you have to subject x bar. What is the x bar?
10 y bar plus 300.
10 y bar plus 3. Okay. Then you can find x bar. How? Y bar equals 3, no? Substitute
Yeah, 330.
330, like this. Also, you have to find a variance of x. Okay. Muthu, how to find variance of x?
Sigma
First, you have to convert this one, no?
Yeah.
How to convert? Vy equals
Vx
Vx over
v square.
10 square. No?
Yeah.
Because to variance, you have to put constant square, but not affecting minus 300. That's the equation. Therefore, you want to subject Vx. Vx equals how much? You can multiply that. Muthu?
So is it 2.28 into
Like that? No, 100 into Vy. Vx equals 100 into Vy. Vy equals same thing. Sigma y square equals to Vy, no? Sorry, Vy, no? Therefore, Vx equals 2.948 into 100. Therefore, 294.8. It's okay?
yes.
Then, now you can find Vx, sigma x. How? Square root of that. No? 294.8. Or you can use this one to convert to sigma y. Sigma y equals sigma x over only 10. Like that. It's okay?
Yes.
That's the first question, okay? Main one question like that. Is it, it is okay, no?
Yeah, sir.
Right. Then,
So we're gonna get a table like that now?
yeah. Table data.
Okay.
Then you have to draw another table and find required data. Sigma fx, sigma fx square, sigma f, like that. This type of data table you have to convert.
Okay.
Okay. Finally, you have to convert to x to y, like using some code. That's the method you have to use. Okay. Then this time only histograms comes in this lesson. Frequency density equals frequency over class width. Okay. This type of question you can you do like this. This is the frequency density. This is the length. What is the total frequency for this bar? How to find that? Using this equation. No. What is the frequency
So it's a
density for?
90,
What is the frequency
45,
density? Yeah. What is the frequency density of this one? 45,
45.
no? 45. Okay. Equals, we have to find frequency. Then divide by class width, how much? 0.5, 1.5. Now 2, no? Therefore, F equals 90. Okay. You have to know about this type of questions. How to find answers for that. It is very easy, no? It's not hard part, no? You have to remember these things, okay? Especially frequency density equals frequency over class width. This main thing you have to remember for the histograms. Next one. These things not relevant to tomorrow paper. Okay.
So outliers?
No,
I'm
not
getting
relevant.
out.
You don't want
Sir?
to, yeah,
You're not getting outliers.
Much.
no. Tomorrow you don't want to that knowledge. Okay. Therefore, don't think about that this time. If you have some problem of those things, we can discuss later. This one also not relevant. Okay. This one also not relevant.
So no need stem diagrams.
No, no need. That's good, no?
Then this
It is easy, no? But it's given us, you have to know for only these things. How to calculate positive or negative or 0, like that. You have to remember basically this one. Okay. Mean greater than 2. Mode or median, therefore positive skip. Okay. Mean less than with other mode than median, therefore negative. That is the important thing. Mean, median, mode equal means symmetrical. Okay. This one you have to apply. Okay. Also, you have to know about how to find value of this. How to find value? Using this one. Your mathematical formula book also, you can find that one. 3 into mean minus median divide by standard deviation. Okay. That's knowledge enough for the tomorrow exam. Okay. Comparison data also not required. Probability, very important. Especially Venn diagram. You have some knowledge now. This one is intersection. Okay. Intersection means A and B. This one, union. Union means A or B. Not A means without A, means complement. Okay. This very important thing. Also, this one, very, very important. Mutually exclusive events. What is the meaning of mutually exclusive event? Like this. What is the meaning of that, Paris? Mutually
They are
exclusive event?
independent.
Not independent. It is a separate one. Mutually exclusive mean this type of events. A and B are mutually exclusive events. Therefore, A intersection B equals 0. No intersection. Okay. Then A union B equals probability of union equal PA plus PB only. You can put this equation for mutually exclusive events. It is very important thing. Okay. One is mutually exclusive event. It is not equal to independent event. Independent event means very different than mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means no intersection. Is it okay? Then independent event. When one event has no effect on another. One, no effect to another. That called independent. No effect. In this event, in this type of independent events, we can use PA intersection B equals PA into PB. P, A and B means PA intersection B equal PA into PB. That's the next important thing for this probability lesson. Okay. For independent events, you can use this expression, this formula. For mutually exclusive events, you can use these two formula. A intersection B equals 0 means A union B equals PA plus PB. Nishaya? Understood?
Yes.
There are two questions from this lesson. Directly comes with Venn diagram for one question like this. Okay. Intersection, union, and dash, all like this. Okay. Set notation, also you know about the set notations like this. Okay. We can discuss this one. Given that PA equals 0.3, PB equals 0.4, PA intersection B equals 0.25. explain why events A and B are not independent. Parvis, we have to answer this question. How to do that?
PA times PB should be equal to PA intersection B.
Therefore, first we have to multiply PA and PB.
Yeah.
Then PA equals 0.3 multiply by PB equals 0.4. Answer is 0.12. No, not T equal to 0.25.
0.
Therefore, A and B are not independent. Okay. Also given also that PC equals 0.2. PC also given. Then there are three events. A and C are mutually exclusive. What is the meaning of that? Deksha. A and B are independent. Independent means, sorry, not independent, no. PA equals 0.3, PB equals 0.4. Also, there is a intersection also. This one is A. Other one is B. Total PA equals 0.3. Intersection equals 0.25. This one, this much, equals 0.25. Deksha, can you find this one? Probability of this area, how much? PA equals 0.3. Total PA equals 0.3. Intersection equals 0.25. Therefore, balance is? Deksha,
So she's not there.
not there. Okay, Madhu, can you tell me this one? Total PB equals 0.4. Then balance one?
0.15.
0.15. Okay, it is okay now. Then, Neshaya, how to draw C? A and C are mutually exclusive means? What is the meaning of that?
They don't intersect.
Yeah. Therefore, we can draw like this, maybe like this. No. A and C not intersect, but B and C maybe intersect, no? Therefore, we can draw like this. Also, B and C are independent. B and C independent means they are have some intersection also. For independent means intersection equals PA into PB, no? Like that, no? But this time, B and C independent. B and C independent means P, B intersection C equals far is
PAPC.
PB,
No, PBPC. Sorry.
PB, PC. PB equals how much?
0.4.
PC also given, no? 0.2.
0.2.
Therefore, total is
0.08.
0.08. 0.08 means this much, no? Intersection area. How much? 0.08. Okay. Then, can you tell me what is the value of this area, Muthu?
So then B will become 0.07. The B
Yeah,
inside.
this area. No.
Yeah.
This one only 0.07. And Muthu, can you tell me this area?
0.12.
0.12. Yeah, correct. Because total C is 0.2. Intersection area is 0.08. Balance is 0.12. Like that. Okay. Then You have to draw a Venn diagram. It's okay. Then we have to find this much. What is the meaning of that? Can you tell me? First, we have to find this one. A intersection B dash. A like this. B like this. Then A intersection B dash means A means this area. No. B dash means without B. Therefore, only this one, no. Only A. Like this. Okay. We have to consider this area for A intersection B dash. Union means we have to add to C. C also. Total C. Therefore, total value of this equals how much? PC equals 0.2 and 0.05. Total is 0.25. Paris, it is okay.
So don't we have to take the outside region?
Why? Because A intersection B dash means we have to think on